Hi, beautiful people. How are you doing? So, today we'll be learning how to make this beautiful and simple Zara bands with turban cap. Very beautiful, classy, and simple, and it can be worn separately. So, welcome to class. As you can see here, I've already cut out the materials, the measurements, everything I need. I've cut it out, but I will be telling you the measurement I'll be using. This one you're seeing here right now is for the band. Of course, it's just going to be one round band, simple turban base, and the length is 30. You can use between 29 and 30. The fabric I'm using here is doll face. Is a non-stretchy fabric. So that's the band that I've just shown you that measures 4 by 30 or 29. So this is the base for our cap, and as you can see, it's on fold. It measures, you know, sorry, it measures 13 by 30. So if you open it up, it's going to be 26. You can use 24 or 26. So 13 by 30. 13 by 30. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to like join our band to it. You know, my videos are always self-explanatory. As you can see, put your band into it like this, fold it on the wrong side, let the wrong side face you and the right side inside, then sew on half an inch. So don't sew the side, leave the side open. That is where we are going to be turning it out from. And this is our belt for tying. You know, it's a non-stretchy fabric, and of course it has to be very, very big in size so that we can use belt on it. And my belt measures 4 by 12 or 13. 4 by 12 or 13. You need two of it. Just fold on the wrong side and just sew. You know how to do this. I have all this in my some of my videos, how to do simple bands, a simple turban base. So we'll set that aside. So for our Zara band, we'll be needing our mako, and this is our mako. I've already cut out my mako, and the measurement I'll be using is 2.5 by your head circumference. Yes, my head circumference, the one I use, is 23. If your head circumference is 23, you'll be cutting 24. Whatever measurement your head circumference is, you're going to be adding 1 inch extra to it so that you can fold and lap on that. So here my head circumference is 23 and I cut 24. So for the pieces that we're going to be using to wrap our Zara band, this measures 26. 26, you can see 26 by 8. 26 by 8. So that is what we'll be using to wrap our band. So on the wrong side, we are going to be folding like this and sew on half an inch or 1 inch. Yes, just sew it like that on the wrong side. Please don't close the two sides. Turn it out after sewing. Then ensure that the sewn part falls in the middle. I'm just illustrating what I want you to do here. Then after turning it out, ensure that the sewn part falls in the middle. Then you insert your mako into it. It's as simple as that. So these pieces right here is for our, you know, the rows behind, like a ruffle or rose. So this measures is on fold is 24 on fold. So if you open it up, it's going to be 48. 48 by 8. 48 by 8. If you open it up, it's going to be 48 long length by 8. You're going to be folding on the wrong side and sew from one end to the other. Just sew on half an inch, you know. Then I'll be showing you how I close the two sides. If today is your first time of coming across this video and you love what you are doing here, please kindly stay and subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I drop video. So here's our base. I've done it, and I attach my belt, leaving 3 inches apart on both sides behind. You can see it is very, very beautiful and neat. That's all about our base for the band base. I mean, as you can see, our model is rocking it. So this is my mannequin, the mannequin head, and as you can see, it is well seated on the mannequin head. So guys, let's go. This is our turban mako wrap cover. So this is what I was trying to illustrate then, that ensure that the sewn part falls in the middle like so. Then you insert your marco into it. Yes, if you're having difficulty inserting your marco, ensure you bend your marco like from the beginning. Try as if you are going to fold it into two, so it will be easier for it to enter, to just go in without any obstruction. So I fold one end. You can see I've closed it on one end. I want to show you exactly what I did here. So watch closely and see how I close the other end. Just fold the excess in. If it's too much, you can trim it off and leave like maybe 1 inch excess. Fold it in like this, like tuck it in. Tuck it in very, very well. Leaving like little fabric, like just leaving too little space, little fabric, so that you can sew top stitch on it. Excuse me. So as you can see here, just fold it neatly like this, then top stitch on it, top stitch neatly on it. So I'll be top stitching neatly on it, then you would see it. You can see I've top stitch. After that, that extra 1 inch I asked you to add to your marco when you're cutting your head circumference measurement. This is where we'll be needing it now. So we are going to lap on that 1 inch. You're going to lap on it on both sides. Lap on it. Ensure that it laps on the marco. Don't worry with the fabric. We are going to cover all the mess. So with your candle gun, just apply it neatly and gently on one side of your marco band, then lap neatly. Yes, lap neatly. So after lapping it, after like gluing it with your candle gun, the next thing I'll be doing is to use my needle and thread to secure firmly. So guys, I'll be securing this with my needle and thread, and I'm securing this with sewing on the marco. Of course, marco is flexible, so your needle can pass through. So look at the way I am securing and sewing it, like this is not zigzag, but crossing from one marco to the other, though it is lapped. So you just sew very, very well and then firmly. So I'm trying to knot this here so that I can cut out that excess thread that is disturbing my sewing. So this is how you're going to sew it from one end to the other. So by that, you have thoroughly secured your marco headband, and it will not cut off, it will not open up. It is well secured. So this is what I'll be doing till I get to the ends. So I want to use this medium to thank all my subscribers, those that are commenting on my videos, those that are engaging and telling me thank you for the beautiful work and videos. I thank you so much. All this is a huge encouragement and it's pushing me in my little time to do more. So here, what you see here is a 1 inch ribbon. I'll be using to cover that place, that that messy part, that side that is not looking it, where we have stitched. So I'll get you can use any fabric, you can use fabric to cover anything you can cover with that will make it look neat. So that is I got that ribbon, though it's not very, very close, like is not almost the same color, but at least is the same shade of it's a shade of pink, but a little bit deeper. So you can see me, look at the way I try to cover it from the outside. I don't want to do this from the inside because I want the inside to remain neat. And this outside, that is where we're going to be attaching our rolls or ruffle to. So I don't really mind if the outside is not as neat as the inside, but I want the inside to be very, very clean. So just watch closely and see how I gently apply my candle glue on that area to cover it neatly. You can see that it is neatly covered. So I will cover it all the way to the back where I started from and cut off the excess. So I hope you are enjoying this video, and if you have any questions to ask, if you don't understand, but I believe and I know that this tutorial is a easy one, it's a very simple one. You can do this in bulk quantity in different colors, and you can start selling. Is so easy and stressless to make. So after gumming that, I set it aside. Now is to form our ruffle or rose. I don't know if it's rose or ruffle. So, but from one end, from that end, that side of um material, I'll be running my gather stitch all the way from that end, all through to the other end. See how I'm doing it. See where I start my own from. So I'll run my gathers all the way down, and I also the same way I'm starting this one is how I will end it on the other side. So after gathering and forming our gathers, you just drag it, you just gather it, drag it firmly and secure, and we'll have a beautiful rose or flower or whatever you want to call it. And I just want something big and flat that will be able to cover that back. So with the help of my candle gum, I'll be attaching this to that very point. You see the reason why I said I don't really mind if the ribbon, where the ribbon laps, is not neat enough. Yes, so I've done that, and this is what I have, and that is my face. That is me saying hello to you guys. So to beautify my Zara band and to accessorize it, I have this silver color patches that I found, and I'll be attaching it to one side of my Zara. You can attach it to the front, anywhere you want. I cut out these small pieces from the patches first of all to, close that to put on at the back of our rose. You can close with any fashion accessories that you have that will beautify it. Then the remaining patches, I'll be attaching it to the side of my Zara band. I don't just want it to be plain, just to give it that, a fizzy and that, extra beauty, so this is our beautiful Zara cap. Isn't this lovely? Imagine this in red, blue, green, and any other beautiful colors. Try and produce this in bulk and start selling for Christmas. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, or give me beautiful and nice comments to just encourage me to do more. I'm a very busy person, but I find time in my extra time to just drop 1 or 2 videos for you. So look at it. Look at this beauty. Rocking it on your abaya, on your ready to wear. So guys, love you all. Bye for now. See you next time.